For years, DJI has completely dominated the consumer drone market, but what they are about to pull off with the upcoming DJI Mini6 Pro is nothing short of a massive, industry-altering shockwave. If you think you've seen everything a sub-250-gram drone can do, prepare to have your expectations completely shattered because the leaked schematics, internal testing reports, and sensor blueprints coming out of the supply chain point to a drone that does not just iterate on its predecessor, but completely rewrites the rules of lightweight aerial cinematography. We are talking about a sub-250-gram powerhouse that is actively engineered to bypass strict regulatory flight restrictions while packing the kind of high-end, professional-grade hardware that was previously reserved only for heavy, expensive cinematic platforms. This is the moment where the line between hobbyist toys and professional filmmaking gear completely evaporates. For months, industry insiders have been whispering about DJI's secret engineering projects. But the latest leaks have finally broken the dam, revealing a machine so advanced that it has competitors completely scrambling to find an answer. The engineering marvel of the Mini6 Pro lies in its sheer audacity to defy physics. How do you cram a massive, next-generation image sensor, an active computational cooling architecture, a revolutionary multi-directional obstacle avoidance grid, and a high-efficiency power system into a chassis that still weighs less than a single cup of coffee? You do it by completely redesigning the drone from the ground up, discarding the old layout paradigms, and using exotic lightweight composites that have never been applied to a consumer drone of this class before. The heart of this upcoming masterpiece is a revolutionary, custom-designed image sensor that represents a massive generational leap over anything we have ever seen in a portable drone. Leaks point to an ultra-large, highly optimized stacked CMOS sensor that utilizes a brand-new dual-native ISO architecture coupled with a back-illuminated pixel layout. This is not just a minor increase in physical size. It is a fundamental shift in how light is captured and processed in real time. By utilizing a dual-transistor pixel design, the Mini6 Pro sensor can capture an astonishing dynamic range that effortlessly rivals professional cinema cameras, preserving deep, noise-free shadow details while simultaneously preventing highlights from clipping in extremely harsh, direct sunlight. Imagine flying over a rugged coastline at sunset, capturing the dark, textured ocean cliffs in the shadows, while perfectly retaining the vivid, fiery orange gradients of the setting sun without a single hint of digital noise or pixelation. The low-light performance alone is set to completely redefine night videography, allowing creators to shoot stunning, clean, and incredibly sharp midnight cityscapes with an ISO ceiling that pushes far beyond the limits of current drone technology. This incredible imaging capability is further bolstered by an advanced computational color science engine that works directly at the hardware level, processing 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG color profiles with massive color depth, allowing for effortless professional grading in post-production. The sheer amount of visual data compressed into every single frame is staggering, giving editors unparalleled flexibility to recover details, adjust tones, and bring their creative visions to life without any color banding or artifacting. But a groundbreaking sensor is useless without the optical powerhouse to back it up, and DJI is reportedly introducing an entirely redesigned, variable-aperture lens system specifically optimized for this new sensor layout. For the first time in a sub-250-gram drone, users will no longer be locked into a fixed aperture, giving them unprecedented control over depth of field and light exposure directly from their remote controllers. Whether you want to open up the lens to its maximum physical limit for ultra-creamy background separation and maximum light gathering in dim environments, or stop it down to achieve a razor-sharp, deep depth of field for expansive landscape photography, the Mini6 Pro puts that professional creative control directly into your hands. This optical system is mounted on a highly advanced, ultra-responsive 3-axis mechanical gimbal that has been completely re-engineered to withstand higher wind velocities while maintaining buttery, smooth stabilization. The gimbal's physical design has also been modified to allow for an even wider range of upward tilt angles, letting you shoot dramatic low-angle perspectives looking directly up at towering skyscrapers, massive forest canopies, or sweeping mountain peaks without the drone's own propellers or frame ever creeping into the shot. Additionally, the physical architecture of the camera module supports seamless, true vertical shooting at full resolution without cropping the sensor, allowing content creators to capture breathtaking, ultra-high-definition vertical videos for social platforms with absolute clarity and zero compromise on image quality. To support the massive data pipeline generated by this revolutionary camera, the Mini6 Pro is rumored to feature a massive upgrade in its internal processing hardware, utilizing a cutting-edge, ultra-efficient neural processing unit. This highly advanced AI processor is dedicated entirely to real-time image enhancement, computational photography, and flight stabilization algorithm calculations. This means the drone can actively analyze every frame as it is being shot, intelligently reducing noise, correcting lens distortions, and optimizing exposure levels on the fly before the file is even written to the ultra-fast internal storage or high-speed microSD card. But the power of this processor extends far beyond just pretty pictures. It serves as the central brain for the drone's next-generation flight autonomy system. According to recent supply chain leaks, the Mini6 Pro will debut an incredibly sophisticated, multi-angle omnidirectional obstacle sensing array that leaves previous generations in the dust. Instead of relying on traditional dual vision sensors that have notable blind spots, this new system incorporates ultra-wide-angle fisheye sensors seamlessly integrated into the sleek body of the drone, providing a true, unbroken 360-degree real-time 3D map of the surrounding environment. This means the drone can detect even the thinnest power lines, bare tree branches, or fast-moving obstacles from a significantly greater distance, allowing the autonomous flight systems to calculate smooth, proactive avoidance maneuvers without sudden, jerky movements that could ruin your cinematic shot. This level of spatial awareness unlocks the next evolution of autonomous tracking technology, with rumors pointing to a highly advanced active track system that operates with unprecedented precision and intelligence. Imagine hiking through a dense, heavily wooded forest or riding a mountain bike down a winding, unpredictable trail and having your drone effortlessly weave through the complex canopy, maintaining a perfect cinematic lock on you without a single moment of hesitation or path loss. The drone doesn't just react to obstacles anymore. It actively predicts potential flight paths, understanding the physical geometry of the environment to choose the most creative, stable, and cinematic angles to capture your journey. This system is so smart that it can anticipate your movements, adjusting its position, speed, and height to maintain a dynamic, engaging composition that looks like it was shot by a professional Hollywood helicopter crew. For solo creators, athletes, and adventurers, this completely eliminates the need for a dedicated drone pilot, transforming the Mini6 Pro into an incredibly capable, fully autonomous aerial camera crew that is ready to deploy in a matter of seconds. Equally impressive is the revolutionary transmission system that DJI is preparing to debut with this release. Built on a brand new, highly robust wireless protocol, the video transmission system promises an unprecedented, rock-solid connection even in the most challenging, high-interference urban environments. By utilizing a highly adaptive, multi-band frequency hopping system that seamlessly switches between frequencies in real time, the drone ensures that your live HD feed remains crystal clear, incredibly smooth, and virtually latency-free, whether you're flying deep within a canyon of concrete skyscrapers or across a vast, windy coastal bay. The physical range of this system has been pushed to spectacular new limits, allowing for confident, long-range exploration with a clean, high-frame-rate, low-latency view right on your remote control screen. This gives pilots absolute peace of mind, knowing they have a robust, unbreakable link to their aircraft even at extreme distances, allowing them to focus entirely on composition, creativity, and capturing the perfect frame without the constant, distracting fear of signal dropouts or sudden disconnects. To match these incredible capabilities, DJI's engineering team has tackled one of the most difficult challenges in drone design: thermal management. powering a high-performance image sensor, a massive AI processor, and a high-power transmission system within a tiny, tightly packed frame generates an immense amount of heat. To prevent thermal throttling and ensure absolute system stability during prolonged flights in hot climates, the Mini6 Pro reportedly features a revolutionary, ultra-lightweight active thermodynamic cooling system. This system utilizes a hyper-efficient microfan coupled with advanced, internal heat-dissipating channels that actively draw heat away from core processors and vent it out of the rear of the drone without compromising its aerodynamic profile or adding any noticeable weight. This means you can confidently fly in direct, blistering sun, pushing the drone to its absolute performance limits, with the peace of mind that the internal systems are running cool, stable, and highly efficient, protecting your hardware and preserving your precious footage. This focus on efficiency extends directly to the drone's propulsion system and aerodynamics. The overall physical chassis of the Mini6 Pro has undergone extensive wind tunnel testing, resulting in a highly optimized, ultra-streamlined body that reduces drag to an absolute minimum. The folding arm mechanisms have been completely redesigned to be more rigid, stronger, and more aerodynamic, allowing the drone to slice through the air with incredible efficiency. Coupled with brand-new, whisper-quiet high-performance propellers that feature a highly specialized airfoil design, the drone can generate massive amounts of lift while drawing significantly less power from the battery. This silent propulsion system is a massive game-changer for wildlife filmmakers and discrete creators, allowing the drone to fly close to animals or populated areas without generating the annoying, high-pitched buzz that typically draws unwanted attention or disturbs local environments. It makes the drone incredibly stealthy, blending seamlessly into the ambient sounds of nature. The battery technology powering this aerodynamic marvel is also seeing a massive generational leap. DJI is rumored to be introducing high-density, next-generation lithium-silicon batteries that offer a vastly superior energy capacity relative to their physical size and weight compared to traditional lithium polymer cells. This means that despite keeping the total takeoff weight strictly under the crucial 250-gram limit, the Mini6 Pro will deliver flight times that easily rival, and perhaps even exceed, those of much larger, heavier commercial drones. Imagine having a massive chunk of continuous flight time on a single, lightweight battery, allowing you to patiently wait for the perfect light, execute complex multi-take, cinematic runs, or explore vast, distant landscapes without the constant, anxious ticking clock of a rapidly draining battery. This extra airtime completely transforms the creative process, taking the stress out of flying and giving you the freedom to experiment, explore, and capture those rare, unexpected moments that make visual storytelling so incredibly powerful. But the physical hardware is only half of the story. The intelligent software ecosystem being developed alongside the Mini6 Pro is set to redefine the user experience for pilots of all skill levels. DJI is preparing to launch an incredibly intuitive, highly optimized set of creative flight modes that make capturing complex, cinematic shots as easy as a single tap on your screen. From automated orbit modes that seamlessly adjust their radius and altitude to create dynamic, sweeping circular reveals, to advanced waypoint planning systems that allow you to map out highly complex, multi-point flight paths with absolute millimeter precision, the software acts as an invisible, highly skilled co-pilot. You can save your favorite flight paths and execute them repeatedly at different times of the day or year, allowing for breathtaking, perfectly aligned time-lapse transitions that show the changing of seasons, the movement of city lights, or the dramatic shifts in weather over a single landscape.